Hello everyone, Julie Allison here, and I just wanted to do a quick video firstly to find out how everyone is during these extreme, very strange circumstances we've found ourselves in. Being stuck at home, being on lockdown, apart from being allowed out for an hour and being allowed out to the horrendous task that is shopping at the moment. Just to let you know, my business, 1 minute I was working and the next I had to shut down. I can't say that was no means of a shock to the system. So one of the things I wanted to pop on and share with you is I've been thinking for a while how I can best serve my clients at this moment in time. And I've been working with a few individuals online, and I was thinking about setting up a group meeting online where we can do things like we can just share what's going on at the moment. Please allow yourself to be free to grieve through this. This is a very strange circumstance. I know people are missing the families, grandmas are missing their grandchildren, people are stuck at home with the children. Parents are stuck at home with the children, wondering what to do with them all the time. Anybody who's working from home, it's just a different circumstance at the moment. And I wanted to do something that would raise our energy a little bit. If you go outside, the energy's not very good at this moment in time. I don't want to do anything that's political or anything getting into any of those kind of things. There's too much of that going on anyway. But wanted to do something, if somebody wants to rant and rave, that's absolutely fine. But also do something where we can do a nice meditation. Let's get ourselves healed first. Let's do some themes around self-love, around forgiveness, around just healing ourselves and then healing the world if we can. And just various things. I was going to plan it all out, which is why I'm only just coming on now. And you know what? We've found out just recently, not everything that you want to plan goes according to plan. And what I'd like to do is, if you're interested at all in coming on the calls weekly with me and doing this as some kind of monthly membership just to make things easier, it's going to be indefinitely until we know any further notice. So we might be here just for 1 month, we might be here for 2 months. We don't know at this moment in time. But if you're interested, just send me an email or text me if you prefer to text and say, yes, I have an interest. And what I'm going to do to start with is do a free call next Monday, the 20th of April at 10 o'clock in the morning. And this is so we can all get used to the software that I'm using. I'm going to be using the Zoom software. We can iron out any tweaks, iron out any technical issues, any issues about people getting used to using this. And also I thought, if anybody has any other ideas about what they would like from me, that will help me to go into some of the planning that I want to do for each session. Although, yeah, let's not plan too much. As you know, I always have enough things to share, for us. I think at this moment in time, the main thing is just to be present with everybody and just get that connection back again. So I'm going to share all the details below if I haven't made myself clear in this video. Really do hope everybody's doing okay at the moment. But I also hope if you want to, I'll meet you on the other side, meet you in the other meetings. Okay, bye for now.